Hello everybody and welcome to this new class in where we are going to talk about the workspace in SKETCHUP. As everything in SKETCHUP, the workspace is very intuitive as well. So at the left side we can find this large set tool which can be moved easily just clicking here at the beginning and dragging. Then I could place this toolbar in another position. But to be honest, the best place in my opinion is where it was. So I click, I drag till the left side and then I release. This large tool set is divided in different group of buttons. So the first one, I like to call it selection group, even when not all the buttons are for selection. The next one, I call it drawing tools. Next one is gonna be transformation tools. If we continue, we will find the measurement tools, then the navigation tools, camera tools, and finally these two options, 3D warehouse and extension warehouse, which will need to use the internet. Furthermore, you can see that we have more bars with many more options. If I move the mouse to the top and I click the right button, then all the toolbars available in this software right now will be shown. We have just to click or unclick for using them. And I said right now because we will be able to add much more options when we learn how to use the extensions or plugins. At this very moment, at the beginning of the course, I would like you to have on your workspace the section toolbar, the shadow toolbar, this one called tags. In older versions it was called layers, this one called views, and this another one called styles. Let's say that these ones are the basics. Above this bar we can find the menu bar, which is very classical with file, edit, view, camera, draw tools, window and help. If I go into any of them, we will find more options, but the one which is important for me now is here in window, this first one called default tray. This default tray, it is related with the panels that we can see at the right side. This is called default tray, and now we have here these different trays related with the ones which are currently on here. So for example, if I go to entity info and I close it, it is not here anymore. But if I wanted to restore it, then I would have to go here, window, default tray, and click over entity info. Then it is here again, but this time in the last position. I would have to click and drag till my desired position, in this case the first one. Of course, during the course we will go deeper into all of these default trays because all of them are very important, but now we just want to understand, let's say, the organization of the workspace. To finish the class, if we go down, we will see what is called measurements bar. Here there is a space where we will be able to type measurements using our laptop. And if I go to the left, we can find two different items. The first one is this person inside a circle. If I click on it, then this window will be open. It is called model info window with different options. And if I move even more to the left and I click on it, again, model info window will be open, but this time it is marked the geolocation. This model info window is important and we will be able to open it as well if we go over window, model info. It is the same window. Once we have understood the workspace of SKETCHUP, we are ready for going to the next episode in where we will start learning how to navigate in this 3D space canvas.